Alrighty YouTube, another one of Kip's Clips. But I don't know if you'll be able to hear that in the background, but there's a literal crow war going on up there. No, sorry, it's not that one. Where am I? There. Up in those bushes there. I don't know if you can hear it, but on a wee poem. So, open up the window of your eye to see the greyness of Semple Loch, stretched like a length of satin cloth below the Lochwinnoch sky. From the poem, Come Sit With Me by Betty McKellar. And up at the Semple Trail, up at Semple Loch. So, and you can see what she was meaning about the grey skies. Oh, wee teeny wee bit of blue, look. Wee ball here of blue. Typical Scotland. But what can you do? I mean, you really can't come to Scotland without bumping in to all this overpopulation. You just can't do it. Alrighty YouTube, catchies.